Hey everyone, this is Sagar Verma from Tulip. Quickly today, I wanted to talk about this new integration that we built with Microsoft 365 Outlook. We built a connector where you can list all the emails on your Outlook box, or you can send an email to multiple users, a specific user, or even a group email address. The advantage of having this integration over is, a lot of times the operators on the floor, have a company specific address, but they use their badge IDs to log into Tulip, and you need to alert, either an operator, if a machine is down, or if an operation is down. So you can do all of that right from Tulip itself. Leveraging this integration that we built with M365 Outlook. Before you start using this connector, you need to trigger the OAuth 2.0 flow with Microsoft Azure. For that, you need to register an app on the Azure portal, which is pretty straightforward. There is enough documentation on Microsoft's website on that. You can have a look there. But quickly on Tulip side, right? I just want to show you what configuration that you can do. You would need a redirect URL, and this would be your specific instance URL. And with the endpoint going to be the same, which is the OAuth redirect handler. Authorization code URL, access token URL is something that you'll attain from Azure. And in addition to that, you'll have your client ID and your client secret. All of these fields would be attained from Azure, where you'll register your app. Once you fill all these fields into Tulip, you can trigger a flow right from Tulip itself, where you authenticate this connector. And once it's authenticated, Azure returns an access token that is passed into all these connector functions that we'll be using, which are around sending an email, sending an alert, listing all the emails and things like that. So I just quickly wanted to show you that before I walk into the application. So real quick, the first standard function is once you're authenticated, you can list all the emails that you have in your mailbox. So you can see, just a few emails that I have in my, Outlook email, the subject, who's the sender, and then the body preview as well. So that's just one function, right? The other important functions here, which are of critical, importance, is sending an alert email to an operator or to a group email as well, which alerts a group of users that are part of that group email address. For instance, I'm going to use one of my colleagues' email to send him an email, like an alert. You need to pass in three fields, which is email address, what's the subject, I would say machine down, and you can do machine M1 down at station S1. Please report. And that's it. So you need to provide the email ID, the subject, and the content. These fields are passed into our trigger through, which is passed into our connector function. These are exactly the three fields that you need. You can also, build this logic right in the trigger on the expression editor using different variables, different app info, and what have you, right? So there are like multiple options, but I just quickly wanted to show you which three fields are important to send. And once you do this, it should send the email sent successfully, and it's sent. So we can quickly have a look whether this email was sent or not. I will quickly navigate to my sent items, and hopefully, yeah. So there we go. We see alert, machine down, machine M1 down at station S1. Please report. So that kind of confirmed that it was successful, right? Now, more than that, you can send you can send an email to multiple users as well, not just a single user. Like this function sends it to just one user. You can dynamically add multiple users as well within Tulip. If you go to this function over here, now you need to specify all the three emails that you want to send an email alert email to. I will probably use the same one as before. And then I'll probably send one to myself, which will be helpful here. Microsoft.com, and then I'll probably have another one that I'll pull from one of my colleagues. Uh, again, you know, operation down, please report, right? Again, as I said, you can add as many emails as you want. There's also an option of adding, CCing the recipients or BCCing the recipients. It's basically sending emails just from your Outlook, but you're doing all of that right within your app. So you can leverage all those functionalities right within Tulip, right? Whether you can send it through the expression editor or have these text widgets and pass these variables back to the connector, and the connector does your job. So you can send it right here, and hopefully it sent the email, app completed successfully. We can quickly see if I got it. Oh, there we go. And there we go. I got an email in my email box which says operation down, please report, and you see how all these three recipients got my email successfully over here. So yeah, just quickly wanted to talk about this. Hope you guys like it. And if you need this connector in your instance, please reach out to us at support.tulip.co, and we'll be happy to get this connector imported into your instance. Thanks. Bye.